So we're talking about warm-up and cool-down for rowing, and I personally have a really strong belief in easing into the workout and also cooling down for a fair amount of time. How I like to start it off always is imprinting the stroke, and the pick drill is great for that because we start off nice and easy, arms only, work into the swing, reminding people about the importance of the hips, the pivot there, getting the shoulders in and out of bow, 11 to 1, and then gradually introducing the slide slowly. And then we progress it all the way up to the catch, all the way back, and then we also use a nice little drill that I learned from master instructor Chris Ives many years ago, and that's a simulated row. And it's a nice relaxing way to kind of put the pieces together. When you take the handle away and just have to use your body weight, it really allows you to feel how the core is involved in the stroke of rowing. So it's a nice way to piece it all together as you're warming up, getting ready for your workout, and also another way to remind yourself of technique stuff when you're cooling down. So that's really the purpose of why I do a warm-up and a cool-down, incorporating the pick drill and the simulated rowing.
All right, we're going to take our cool down in 2 and wear us all out. I know. We'll go 3/4 slide in 2. 1 and 2. 3/4 right here. That's it. Nice control. Hands away, body angle, then slide. Half slide in 2. 1, 2. Right here. Half slide. Nothing changes, just the length of the slide. Hands away, tighties, tap and go. Quarter slide in 2. 1, 2. Remember, just slight top of those knees now. Lock in the frame. Not too much slide. I still see too much slide over there. Just a slight pop. Feet flat on the foot flexors. Still too much. Right with me, just a little bit. Swing only in 2. 1, 2. Right here. Legs down, pivoting from the hips. Shoulders in and out of bow. Good. Nice. Relax your hands. Breathe. It's okay to smile a little. Arms only in 2. 1, 2. Shoulders in the bow, arms only. No movement from the shoulders, just extend those hands out. Relax them. Feel the retraction. Right with me. Okay, in 2 we'll add the swing. 1, 2, right here. That's it. Nice. Get those arms right away. Tap and go. We'll start to add the slide in, quarter slide in 2. That's 1, 2. Right here, a little bit of slide. Just a little bit. Feet are still flat on the foot flexors. Good. Don't worry about power. Half slide in 2. 1, 2. Right here, half slide. Flat, good. Box it out, hands away. Don't rush. Slowly slide. 3/4 slide in 2. 1, 2. 3/4 right here. Easy. Full slide in 2. 1, 2. Reach in here, easy. Going down. Just let it flow. Relax. Okay, let's go ahead and close our eyes for 5 strokes. Next stroke, just close your eyes and here we go. 2. Relax and listen. and open. Easy. 3 more, we'll put the handle on the hook. 1, 2, and 3. Handles down, sit up with the catch. Pretend like we're rowing down the canal. Ready, row. Left over right. Control your slide. Stay right with me. Control. Relax. Okay, arms down in 2. 1. And 2. Arms down. Remember, get those shoulders pivoting from the hips in front of the shoulders before that slide moves. Nice and controlled. Don't rush it up. Arms up in 2. 1. And 2. Here we go. That's it. Okay, use that core. You feel that ab firing off right at the finish as you swing back through with the hips. There we go. 11 and 1. Okay, we'll go back into the row in 2. 1, 2. On this one, row again. Here we go. Up. Two more. 1 and 2. Well rowed, ladies. Woohoo! Okay, unstrap your feet and off the erg we go.